Alright, so Johnny and I coach, Johnny Rich, one well fresh, good in the sport, one well fresh, head to toe, head to toe. One well fresh from head to toe, don't know the man there.
You certainly need a lot of paraphernalia in your trade.
Yeah, cymbals, timp, bongo, tambourine.
What are these things?
Oh, these are claves.
What are they for?
Not a rhythm for the Latin American stuff. Here, let me show you. See? Very simple.
Very simple.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Oh God, this quality is so good. So right now, thanks everybody that's watching the vlog. I'm vlogging my way to my friend John baby shower. I'm heading there now. First time vlogging on this camera. It's a big camera. First time vlogging as well. So we're going to the baby shower. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Yeah. So I'm into the baby shower. See, give you guys better picture and stuff like that. Oh, watch the sun come out. It's still cold, but the sun out and thing. I'm going to have to get used to this camera and thing like that. But yeah, so catch you guys on the flip side, alright? So come back. Hey guys, a little change of plans. I'm going to be late for the event. I'm going all the way in Bronx, so I have to take a Uber, which is a lot of money. But I just say go. You know, you have to show for your friend them, you know. Then no, pick up yourself, Johnny. You see that vlog here? Uber is here.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm alright.
Mark?
Yes, Mark. Yeah, so taxi is here. Heading on my journey now. Should reach there in time. Enough time, basically. Yeah, so catch you guys in a few. I'm here. Say hello to Brianna.
Hi.
And introduce yourself. Tell them what your name is.
Annabelle.
Annabelle. And this is Mara. So wait, they give me name Felicia. Imagine that. So we're going to the liquor store now to get some wine for this baby shower. John, don't buy any wine. I'm gonna really like beer, unless it's flavored beer. So on the road, going to get some wine. Which way, babe? This way? Yeah, it does. It's really new to you. It did really well. As you can see the quality. So it's clear.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. Compared to like the older camera that I had, it's really bad.
Oh, the one that
Get a little bit. Yeah, that's just. Hey, watch my vlog?
I seen you.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I forgot you see the camera. It's right here. Under this thingy. Under the bridge. So we're jaywalking now. They're making fun of me in the back. I don't know why they're making fun of me. Woo. They said spring, people, it's not spring, the time is cold. So you guys,
You like a real YouTuber?
yeah. Well, average views, like some videos are low, like some videos that people really want. I'll get like anywhere from like 500 to 1,000 From there go up. Yeah, from there.
500,000 or 500 to 1,000?
500 to 1,000.
Oh.
Like those are the most popular one. Well, the most popular one has 31,000 views.
Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, and then the next one has, I think, 30,000 as well. And then they all trickle down after that. So those are the most popular ones. But yeah, I have like videos like this one, yeah. Like 4,000. Some have like 30 views. So it all depends on what people want. Like my viewers are funny. They like videos about Jamaican, like specific information, like dating Jamaican guys or relationship advice, stuff like that. So they love those. In terms of like the vlog videos, I might get like 1,000 views on it. Just like that. And some people, their attention span is not that high, so they like watch a few minutes and then they skip off. But I appreciate my gingerbread and jelly bean that, you know, stay tuned in and you guys, you know, follow and comment and watch. So yeah. Hey, the black boy look good enough. So over here in the Bronx. Oh yeah, want to see New York Street dirty? Ooh, catch those dirty streets. And they act like New York is the best. Catch those. But they have some really nice stories though. Yeah, we all know New York ain't all that clean. I don't know, they're bragging about New York. Yeah, but it's still dirty. A lot of places are still dirty in New York though. So tell them something, Brianna. Tell them about yourself. Brianna can take pictures really good. You want to see some of the pictures that she take for me? I'll post them right now. Oh yeah, tell them about yourself, Brianna. Oh, this is John's sister-in-law. John is from high school.
John went to high school with you?
Yeah, from 7th grade. So we know each other for years now. You know. So me and John coming from far, so it's John's wife, sister, right here, Brianna, and her friend over there. So yeah. So you get to enjoy yourself at the baby shower today?
Yeah. But I'm not
so for the reveal, what do you think is a girl or a boy?
I think it's a girl.
Think it's a girl?
Yeah. Girl.
Girl? Why you guys want a girl? I feel it's a boy. Like I have this instinct, I have this deep like feeling that it's going to be like, you know, a boy. I don't know, for some weird reason.
I just feel like it's a
girl.
Yeah.
You guys they want a girl, people. They want a girl. Alright, so we're at the liquor store now. Rap trap? I think in the thing there.
Oh, the vlog's still going on?
Yeah, the vlog's still going on. They're talking about the people in the store. Anyway, people, I'm going to buy some wine and like, you know, for adults. Because these guys can't drink. They have to stay with someone else. Show them on the bus instantly. Oh yeah. I'm really looking at me. Somebody, a cup of wine. I don't drink beer and stuff like that. say it. I say it's a boy. I just have a feeling it's a boy. I don't know why. I just have a feeling it's a boy. Everybody else wants a girl. I don't know, but
yeah, I think it's a boy. I just have that feeling deep down. What do you say? Think it's a boy or a girl?
I'm the only one that know. I will let you know. Yeah.
Okay.
We will find out later on what it is.
She has a secret, but I just have that deep feeling.
alright. So we have this young lady in the cut. Nothing fancy.
Cause full body. Alright? Yeah. We on the boy side. We believe it's a boy.
The boy's alright? I believe it's a boy. What do you feel like, it's a girl or a boy?
I think it's a boy.
It's a boy, me too. I have a strong feeling. I don't know, my instinct. I'm trusting my instinct. Vanessa, right?
No, she's telling the cheese.
I'm recording.
So what you guys think? Girl or boy? Boy. Feel it's a boy too, right? It might be a girl? Yeah, alright. So you guys feel like it's a boy or a girl? Boy? I'm on the boy side too. Girl? So you feel like it's a boy or a girl? Boy? I feel like it's a boy. Girl? Alright, so there's some girl and some boy. So you guys feel like it's a girl or a boy? Yeah? You have to see the first.
It's a boy.
Feel it's a boy, right? Yeah man, I feel it's a boy. Girl?
I think it's a girl.
So females going for girls, men going for boys. Alright? Everybody enjoying themselves so far? Food is good? Yeah. Hello guys. So you guys, a girl or boy?
It's a girl.
Boy? Right, boy, right?
No, it's a girl.
Girl, what do you say? Girl? Oh Lord, boy. Pepsi? Napkin? Alright.
You're welcome.
Enjoying the food so far? Good? Alright. Alright, so Johnny and I cut, Johnny Rich, one well fresh, good in the food, one well fresh, head to toe, head to toe. One well fresh from head to toe, don't know the man there. Baby show and things over there represent the same way. This is a boy, we don't know them, every time you say a girl, me I say a boy. A boy I say too. And we have Vanessa over there. Alright guys, so we're going to have the gender reveal right now. Catch it on camera. This is John's sister in the cut. Right here. Let's have the money.
No, this is
It's about the gender reveal.
Vanessa and John is going to take piece by piece out of each bucket until they find the baby. And the baby diaper reveal what the baby gender is. Okay? So,
alright.
I'm not going to be surprised. What's wrong with you?
open up the stuff, Vanessa. Go ahead.
Alright. Gender reveal. Johnny. Vanessa.
Mova, somebody have to help me. I want nails.
Oh my.
No, wait. All right, next thing, because I can't. I know you watch the kid. You practice too neat.
Come on, Johnny. Come on, man.
Let's go, Johnny boy. What's saying now?
But it's supposed to be the baby that's supposed to come out, right?
Big baby boy.
Gender of the baby.
Oh, it's a girl. It's a girl. Oh, God. You're having a girl. Say go next time. Beautiful wife there. Congrats, bro. Next time. No, you don't want a boy, you know, man. Next time. It's a boy, it's a girl you have it, it's not a boy. Enjoy the icon. Love yourself. Alright. Next time, Johnny, next time. It's a girl. Next time, let a boy. The boy will want to, you know. Next time. Alright, next time. Alright guys, so the event is over. Pack up stuff in the car. Place is empty now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm heading home right now. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting JVLOGS. So see you guys until next time. I'm out.